A question that we get asked a lot here at Festive Lights is, how do I install lights on an outdoor tree for Christmas? So in this handy instruction video, we'll show you exactly what you'll need and how to achieve this popular look. For this video, we've used 11 sets of 5-meter connectable string lights from our ConnectGo system. Before you start, make sure to test your lights are working. The first thing to do is locate your power supply and work out the distance between the power and where the lights will start. We've used a standard household outdoor extension. With the ConnectGo system, you can insert extension cables in between the plugs and where you want the lights to start. Run your extension cable to the base of the tree and place the socket securely into a weatherproof container, like a dry box. We're using a transformer plug to power our lights, but this system offers you multi-power source options. The battery box is the perfect solution if you don't have access to a main socket. And in the summer months, there's a solar power option too. Insert the plug and secure the cable, but don't switch your lights on until the installation is complete. We're straightening out the cables here so we're getting the most out of the cable length, and also to make it easier to install the lights on the tree. With the first set of lights, it's important to make sure you're wrapping them the right way. The male connector needs to be at the bottom of the tree, so that you can connect it to the female connector on the power source. Create your first loop around the base of the trunk, and then secure the lights in place using a cable tie. Connect your lights to the power, making a secure connection between the male and female connectors. Then, screw the winch cap tightly for a watertight seal. Now, begin to wrap your lights around the tree, working your way up the trunk with evenly spaced loops. It may be tempting to wrap the lights tightly around the trunk to secure them in place. However, don't wrap them too tightly, as the tree will expand and grow throughout the year, which could stretch the cable and damage the lights. Connect the second set of lights and keep on wrapping. Once you've wrapped the trunk and you've reached the branches, it's time for the ring connector. This accessory allows you to split the power in different directions, and it's perfect for installing the lights along the individual branches of the tree. There should be a female connector at the end of the lights, and this goes into the one male port of the ring connector. Again, make sure to connect these securely and create a watertight seal. Place the ring connector on the tree and use one of the 9 available ports to connect your first string of lights to start wrapping the branches. Once the lights reach the end of the branch, use a cable tie to secure them in place. When installing lights at height, always remember to use the appropriate safety equipment. Continue this process until you've covered the tree's main branches. If you would like to see more videos from our connectable lights ranges, then please subscribe to our channel. Like this video if you found it helpful, and leave us your comments and any questions down below.